Okay, let's get started with Shriya. Hope you're doing well. So if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is absolutely free, and also hit that bell icon so that you don't miss out any of my updates, and make sure that you press the bell icon. Thank you. So I was just sitting in front of the camera and thinking what to do, which look to create. So I was just playing with the colors and I came up with this look. I hope you liked it, and if you guys are interested that how I created this look, then please keep on watching.
First, I will be applying Patanjali sunscreen lotion. It has SPF 30. It is very necessary. Then I will be applying Maybelline Baby Lips Bright Out Loud. Always moisturize your lips before applying makeup. Then I will be applying Patanjali Aloe Vera Gel. This acts as a beautiful primer. Apply it into your skin and leave it for 5 minutes.
Now I will be using Elegant Pro Conceal. So I'll be taking some concealer in a concealer brush and pat it on the places where I have pigmentations or discoloration. You could easily understand that the discoloration or the pigmentation has already gone in this side of the face.
Then I will be applying Lakme Sun Expert Ultra Matte Compact for setting the places where I have concealed. Then I will be applying a foundation. This one is from Maybelline Fit Me. I'll just dab the foundation with the help of a wet beauty blender. Make sure that you dab the foundation into your face, not drag it. Now I am applying some compact powder to set my foundation. You can use any loose powder also. And now it's time for eyebrows, and I'm using here eyeshadow palette, and I'm using the darkest color from the palette for filling my eyebrows. So now here is a trick that if you don't have any eyebrow pomade or any brow pencil or any brow powder, you can easily use your any eyeshadow palette, and you can take the darkest shade from that palette or any shade which is matching your eyebrow color, and you can easily use it for filling your eyebrows. So it's very simple and it is very easy step because many of you don't have eyebrow kits. So it's really very simple and it's very tricky. So now for eyeshadow I am using this brown color from my Makeup Revolution palette. You can use any palette, you can use any brown color you want. So I am using this blending brush to apply the eyeshadow into my crease area. This one is my transition color. The main key to apply eyeshadow very well is to blend. So you have to blend until and unless you get the desired look. So just blend, blend and blend. Then I have taken this rusty brown color. You can take any rusty kind of brown color from any of your palettes. I am applying this into the outer V of my eyes to intensify the look. And again, blend, blend and blend. And then I am applying these two golden shades. I am applying it with my ring finger. It gives rich color payoff. And again with a blending brush, I am blending the edges so that no harsh lines could be visible. And then with the help of this highlighting shade, I am highlighting my brow bones and my inner corners as well. Then with this burgundy shade, I am applying it into my lower lash line to give it a very good smoky effect. Now with the help of this Maybelline gel liner, I am going to create a wing, and be patient in this step because not everyone is pro at applying eyeliner. So be patient and just draw until and unless you get the desired look, and don't just panic or don't just rush. Be patient and you can do it. And then I am applying the liner in my lower lash line as well as in my waterline. Not in the full part but in the half part. I am not a mascara person and I am not also a pro in applying mascara, so I am looking right now a weird person. So please excuse my weird expressions. And so that was the mascara part. So here is one weird trick, that is, many of you don't have contour powder or any contour kit. So right here I am using my eyeshadow palette and I am using a dark brown shade for contouring my face as well as my nose and as well as my jawline. So you can use this trick too. Just make sure that you blend everything evenly, otherwise it will look like clown. And now with the help of Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, I am going to cream highlight my under eye area and the places where I have contoured, and also on the bridge of my nose, and also on the cupid bows, and on my chin, and also on my forehead. And then just blend it with a beauty blender. Blend, blend, blend. And then again it's time for setting the places where I have cream highlighted with my compact powder. Lakme Absolute Blush for my blushing. And now it's time for Lakme Absolute Moonlit Highlighter for highlighting. And I'm going to highlight my cheekbones, my bridge of the nose, and also my cupid bows and my chin and also my forehead. Now this highlighter gives a very subtle glow and it looks like you're glowing from within and it looks very natural. And now it's time for lip lining, and I am lining my lips with Wet n Wild lip liner. These are seriously very cheap but still very good products. And for the lipstick, I am using NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the shade Manila. I forgot to show it in the video. And then it's time for makeup fixing spray.
Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move.
If you guys have any more questions or any more queries related to this video, then please comment down below. I'll surely check it out. And also follow me on my social media. The links are in the description. Go check it out. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you guys found this video helpful and if you liked it, then please give it a very big thumbs up. It will mean a lot to me. And also keep supporting me and stay tuned with me. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.